What's up everyone, Jordan here from Timbecon Perth, and it is time for a little segment that I'm going to call Quick Tips with Jordi C. Now, power sanding is definitely one of the best ways to make short work of what would otherwise be quite a mundane and monotonous job, but it doesn't come without its drawbacks. It's dusty, it's dirty, it's noisy, and it can be quite expensive if you're constantly needing to replace your sanding belts and discs when they wear out. Belts can wear out for a number of reasons, but more often than not, the reason is not due to the abrasive itself getting dull, but rather dust, pitch, and resin getting clogged into all those tiny dips and valleys between the abrasive, filling it up so instead of the abrasive cutting the material, it just skims along the surface, creating friction. These here are the sandpaper cleaning sticks from Timbecon, and while it may look like a block of cheese, it's actually just a specially formulated block of rubber that is designed to get into all the nooks and crannies of your abrasive and pull out all the clogged in junk, leaving you with fresh, clean sanding belts and or discs. To use it, simply run the machine as normal and gently apply the rubber stick to the surface as if you were sanding a normal piece of wood. Move the stick across the abrasive until you can visibly see that all the clogged material has been removed. If you make this a part of your regular maintenance schedule, you will see a massive increase in belt or disc life, and I personally have seen a single belt last 2 years thanks to these little sticks. Now, there is quite a few homegrown solutions out there for cleaning sandpaper, so it would be great to hear your favorite solutions down in the comments below. A trick I've used on more than one occasion is to use the sole of an old boot in just the same manner. Now, you may get in trouble from your significant other if you get caught, but remember to keep safety in mind at all times and remove any dangling bits like shoelaces so that you don't get any nasty surprises when you get pulled into the machine. I wouldn't say it's quite as effective as these sticks, but it does a decent enough job in a pinch, so if you're in a bind, give it a shot, you might be surprised. Anyway, you can find all the information about these sticks over on the Timbecon website, which is linked below, and till next time, I'll catch you later.